Hi friends, welcome to our new paper crafts video. In this video we're going to make some amazing paper craft items and you can copy them very easily. We start with a porcupine and then we're going to our second item. Here we have taken a piece of paper and we folded it like a shape of cone, then we're joining it. Thus we make a Rubik's Cube like thing. So this is a toy and a mathematical puzzle as well. And let's just go to our next item, taking a paper, then we fold it and here we're making a box. It can contain things in it. You can place your valuable small items inside this box. This box looks like a flower. And let's just go to our next item. Here also we are taking a paper, then we fold it and we have to make some marks on that paper using the foldings. Then we have to convert it into the shape of an L, the letter L, and we have to join them together, and thus it is also a mathematical puzzle. Now we're going to make a box, and this box is also very simple, and we have to make some marks on that paper using the foldings. And when we open it, you will get a box that can keep things inside it. Here we're going to mark some points in the paper. Then we have to create a triangular like edge in one side, and our final target is a crown that is worn by the queen. Here again we're making a box. You can keep your jewelry items and other small things inside this box. Maybe it can be your color pencils or torn pieces of paper or beads. You can keep it inside such boxes. Here again we are making a box, and for making the boxes we are using papers like card papers, and they have some designs imprinted on it. And now we are at the final work of the box, and its lid is also made. You can keep small things inside this box. Next we are going to make a very large animal. What is that? It is a dinosaur. Have you ever seen a dinosaur in real life? No, such animals are extinct. They are no more. But you might have seen such animals in television, in movies. Yes, in Jurassic Park you can see many types of dinosaurs and you can easily make them. Here we are making a set of boxes and you can keep different colors in it. That is why we have used different colored paper for making this set of boxes. You can keep pieces of paper or your jewelry items inside this box. So thank you for watching.